Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off Granny Game notifications. So let's get started. Begin by launching your settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Select the Apps option. Now tap on the Manage Apps. In the search bar, type in Granny Game and perform your search. Tap on the Granny Game. Scroll down a little and then tap on Notifications option. Now disable Show Notifications option. And that's it. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.